I started vlogging in 2003, before YouTube even existed. It is with heart wide open that I share with you my journey that has taken me from South Korea to now living off-grid in the middle of nowhere. I just got the stove started. We start at -9 basically. So I'm gonna go get more like big logs to put in there instead of the split stuff. It's just they last and it's good. It works good. Don't need to split them. Then I'm gonna let this warm up a bit. It's almost ready for me now. But before I start, I want to see if I can get the snowmobile started. I charged the battery yesterday. Let's see. I need to charge it again. Okay, so I'm gonna do that. It's at 26%. I think the last night when I stopped it, it was at 100. I think the -30 has been rough on the battery. I'm gonna probably once this one is charged, I'll top up the car battery so that tomorrow I don't have a problem getting started. Okay, so we're at 5 degrees now, rising. I'm gonna continue this project. And so the welding, I've had quite a few comments on the first episode of the welding week, which was last week for me, and lots of good comments. Thank you guys. And to make sure, I don't know if I said it, but after the first comment, I decided to buy another machine because this is the one I've got. And I think I paid 150 or 200 for it. You see, it's set at the maximum 225. And anytime I went below that, it was like barely possible to strike an arc. So maybe the machine is too old or whatnot, but we'll see. Once I get the new one, I don't know, it will be in a few weeks, I guess. Then I'll do another welding week, and but it's fun, and I wish I would this week, but with the colder weather, I have to open the door for the fumes. So but now that I'm gonna be set up here, I'm gonna put my fan here and weld here, so the fumes will go behind me. It'll be easy. Anyway, we'll see. Okay. All right, I only got 2 2x4s. Maybe that's what I wanted to do. Anyway, I think I've got enough to complete this project. I'm gonna put some tunes and get going. I made a little mistake in my calculations. So this piece here, I want it to go all the way here, but I calculated it here. So it's short now. So I'm gonna go outside. Yeah. I don't have another 2x4 in here that I can think of on this. And there, no, there's nothing there. So I'm gonna go outside, check my pile of wood, and I might have some. So let's do it. It's so bright, my eyes are hurting. This is what I'm dealing with. This pile of snow. There's some 2x4s under there. Let's go. Okay, well, it didn't take me too long to ascertain that I didn't have any suitable piece of wood in there, but I looked. Okay, so while doing this, I figured out what I can do is I'm gonna shorten the other piece of wood by 1.5 inches. It's not a big deal to do that. I think I have the room, so I'll be good. Willow is so happy, and the goats, they're still, oh yeah, look, they're over there. They're happy too. It's warmer. Yeah, big boy. And before I get going, earlier you might have seen me like doing some stuff with my pen and my pencil. I got like a new thing because I was always looking for my pen, and then I saw Greg in RR Building on YouTube. You can check out their channel. It's really good. I've learned a lot from these guys. He has that, so I got it on Amazon, and now I'm looking for my pen, but I know where it is. So soon it'll be automatic. I won't even like look for it. I'll just grab it. But right now I have to think about it. And every time I remember where it is, I feel so happy. And at one point, maybe now, I'm gonna be interrupted because today is the day. It's the day we're gonna install this on the not the deep fryer, on the root cellar. Divine has been asking for this for like since it was done. Let's see. You wanna come in? But you have to stay outside for the goats. Willow, you're taking a coffee break? All right. Anyway, yeah, so I've always like postponed, delay, because we bought this like almost right away. We just never took the time to install it. You know, even though Divine was asking often, somehow I always managed to skip the task. So now we're gonna do it, and actually I'm gonna support Divine while she does it. So we'll do it during our break. Yes, that's good. This is before I sand and add the linseed oil. Oh, I hear Divine. So I guess we're gonna be going to do that handle now. So I'll do this after lunch. The handle is done, so I'm gonna go for lunch. When I come back, I'll cut the plywood for this, and then we'll see. After that, maybe the sanding and then the lin oil. Yeah, we'll see when I get done. Willow! He's got food. Where's your Willow? He made me come all the way. I'm calling him, he's not moving. Yes. Let's go. I got some food for you over there. You haven't had food yet today. Huh? Let's go. Yeah. Come on. Let's go. Come on. Willow, let's go. Come on. Started. I'm gonna let it warm up. It's warmer now. I'm gonna try the truck first. Oh yeah, but I'm gonna let it run for a while now so that it recharges itself. Yeah, oh, it's so good. Yeah, I'm so happy. It saved me a lot of time. Yeah. Then I restarted the snowmobile. No problem. The battery didn't hesitate. So I'm gonna turn it off for now, and I'll take it for a spin, maybe with Divine later on. Okay, what time? I have to check for the truck how long I let it run. I'm at the an hour. So what time is it? 1:30. So when I go to lunch, I'll stop the truck. Okay, so what I mean is, you see how much room I've got here, so I can cut it here, put this there, and we'll be fine. And it'll be better because I'm gonna give an extra 1.5 inches of clearance with the stove. So not complaining. All right, so the day is done. I'm just relaxing now before going in, but I realized something today about AI that had completely bypassed me as of now. So it was Elon Musk talking with a soldier in front of a crowd of officers to be, something like that, talking about AI and war. And it really opened a new area of AI that I had like barely recognized, let alone dive in and consider the implications for humanity, but today I did, and it's it's quite frightening. I think we're pretty dumb, yes, but just we're almost at the stage where the AI can be in a drone, and then war is really about how precise, like, your kill ratio with your drones, so that the AI controls after you gave it the mission. and how many drones you have, which is dependent on how cheap and quick and easy it is to produce, mass produce, batteries included, you know. So it really comes down to these two factors. There won't be people, because people have actually zero fucking chance in that, you know, that scenario. But once I just like, it just opened my mind to start considering this. So I don't know what's gonna happen, but I know that they've already started using AI for military, and they just haven't told us yet. As usual, you know. Oh, my love, what's up? Are you coming to chill? You want to sit down on my couch? So to continue that Musk interview, what he was saying, to prevent AI to turn on humans, like in movies like Terminator, for example. We would have to build the AI curious and investigative, to have that in them. But, you know, if we build them to be independent and think for themselves, then they might decide that being curious is not as good as being stubborn. You know, there's gonna be a few that will become stubborn or egocentric. So yeah, there's no stopping this. There's no stopping this. So who knows how this is going to evolve to? But it's not like, this is one of the things that's not looking good at all. Miley, do you watch a lot of goat movies? Huh? You watch too many goats movies. Okay, I'm leaving the house for the errands. It's not too bad, the snow, the road, even though I didn't plow, but I'll have to plow for sure this weekend at one point. It's okay. Usually the last snow is like at the end of February, and we're February 8th, I think, today. So 3 more weeks of February. But you don't know, there could be a lot of snow falling in those 3 weeks. I just saw a wolf. Holy fuck! Oh, holy macaroni! Oh, that's my first wolf that I ever see like that. It was so good. A black one. It crossed the road. I almost hit him. Like, if I had not slowed down, I would have hit him. It's and it's like just at the end of our road, where our road meets the plowed road. Oh man, that's so cool. Yeah, wow. Wow. I'm so happy. So I think I'll be home earlier today. I won't get home at 5 p.m. and I'm so excited about the wolf, like I just can't stop thinking about it. The size of it is between Miley and Willow, I'd say. Willow is much wider than that wolf, like way wider, like probably much heavier. And Raven is taller, like when he's on his 4 legs, he's higher than the wolf. So both dogs, I say, were probably heavier than that wolf. But it's just so magical, and it's too bad my dash cam was not ready, because you would have seen it like on the dash cam like so easily, because I almost hit it. I'm almost home, so I want to see the tracks of the wolf. It was around here, right here. Let's go check. There's the wolf that crossed. Look at that. It from here to here. Oh. And then went back there. But I'm thinking here. Let's see if I can. Oh, it's too bad the dash cam was not. I took the SD card out of it. Oh, was it here? No, that's a rabbit. Yeah. Oh. Yeah, I can't stop thinking about the wolf. There might have been two, just a few meters. That's a wolf track here, there. So there were two. So I'm not sure which one yeah, it's easy to tell between a wolf and a coyote. So I'm gonna go with the snowmobile, just do a loop around the trails. It's -5. It's not bad. I've got the heated jacket. We'll just see, you know. I'm looking for the wolf, I'm sure. I didn't see any tracks. No. Oh, but I did, but nothing that was worthy of filming. That's Willow howling. I howled and he's howling back. I hope you can hear that, it's funny. Okay, I changed the carburetor. I put the new one. I'll fire it up tomorrow. For now, I'm good. I'm going to get one in the house. It's minus like almost 11 now here. It goes quick. Yes, Willow, you're so pretty. Good morning. It's not as cold. So my first step today is to find the missing shovel. I have like it's a grain shovel. So they're like aluminum. The benefit, they're not as strong, but they're much lighter than just a steel shovel. So for the snow, this is way better. But I don't know where it is. I don't think I brought it here, but I had to check. Let's see how warm it is in here. It is warmer. It's good. Okay, but it's not here. So I'm gonna keep looking. I thought it was in the truck. That's where I need it, because I'm gonna set up to do some plowing. I didn't have to look very long. Look, it's right there. I came here because the cap there, I didn't glue it, so it comes out. I guess with the temperature, it does like some pressure differences. Anyway, that was quick. I'll take the win. Wow, it's so beautiful. The sun shining, we're making a lot of electricity. And so last night I was on Alibaba because I haven't heard back from the Let's Go lady that I've been talking to. I say Let's Go lady because in her videos about our server rack, DIY server rack batteries, she always says let's go. And that is just so cute, you know. And she had not responded for a few days, and we were ready to make the purchase this week, so it didn't happen this week, but now we're in talk, and we'll see. It's the weekend, so most likely next week we'll make that that order. Also for the inverter, I've did some more research yesterday, and I got a quote for delivered at our place in town with FedEx for an EG4 6000 XP, which is like right now in Canada, if I buy it online, it's 2045. Normal price is 2500 plus tax plus shipping, but I can have it here for 750 Canadian, no tax, no shipping, everything included. So all I need to do now is do my homework on the company, and once I know for sure it's reputable, then we'll make the order. And you know, that is just a few 1 week and it's here. So think about it, you know, the actual price without the shipping is 350. They want 2500 in Canada. It's just like, anyway. So I'm glad I can do some research like that on internet and find these things, you know, because I think a lot of people are unaware that this is possible. So once these purchases are actual concrete and I have the product here, I will run you guys through all the procedures, everything I've done, so that you may enjoy the fruit of my research, or without having to risk what I'm risking right now, you know, learning the hard way. This is the UV lights for water purifier or disinfectant. So there's 2 bulbs. One bulb lasts 2 years. It's supposed to last 1 year, but that's when you leave it on 24/7. So they last 2 years for us because we close it, we turn it off at night. So that's really good. But these things are very fragile. So I'm going to put that over there. On top here. so that if this crumbles, this will be at the top. I'll have to instruct Divine about how fragile that box is, so that she knows to be gentle with it if she ever has to move it. I did the highway. Now I started this, but I'm gonna leave some for Divine to practice. Now I'm gonna start the excavator. Should be no problem. It's been plugged in for a while and it's much warmer now. Let's see how that's gonna go. We're gonna push the snow banks with it. Oh, I need the key. We're gonna push the snow banks and do some of the trails inside the fence, like for, and I will do the greenhouse, the front of the greenhouse. I'm gonna start this to see how the engine performs. I'm gonna put some gas in it. It's really good. It's really good. I changed
this
the
is low back.
Yeah, I
It
changed
turns
it.
off.
I changed the carburetor, and the engine is perfect now. That's excellent.